Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
OPEC and its allies expect oil inventories to fall further in the coming months, OPEC's Secretary General said, suggesting efforts by the producers to support the market are succeeding. Currency market volatility fell to its lowest since before the COVID-19 pandemic rolled markets in March 2020, as investors sat on the sidelines waiting for clearer signals on the inflation trajectory. Bitcoin security concerns may be hitting investors after the U.S. Department of Justice recovered $2.3 million, 63.7 Bitcoin, of the $4.3 million Colonial Pipeline ransom.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT, Germany's trade balance at 600 GMT. Germany's current account will be released at 600 GMT, Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT, the UK's RICS housing price balance at 2301 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.